Every great journey starts with the right spark. Just like every powerful drive begins with a dependable injector. The Common Rail 044-511-0369 diesel fuel injector, OE03L130277J, 03L130277Q, is designed for Volkswagen Golf, Audi A3, Skoda, and SEAT 2.0 TDI engines. Manufactured by Shenzhen Carino Auto Parts Company Limited, a company with over 10 years of experience and advanced production lines, this injector offers premium quality at a budget-friendly price with a low minimum order quantity and neutral packaging. It supports OEM and ODM customization, including logo engraving, label customization, number engraving, and packing box design. The product is available as China-made new quality, comes with a 6-month warranty, and guarantees quality. Orders are typically dispatched within 3 to 7 working days via major couriers like DHL, FedEx, UPS. Shenzhen Carino provides professional technical guidance and rapid issue resolution.